Hey, what's up guys? My name's Aiden with ADM Programming, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own custom Discord bot for your Discord server with Java using a Discord JDA. So there's two main steps to this process. The main steps are going to be, first of all, creating the actual bot through the Discord developer API and getting a token. And the second part is going to be actually creating the bot in Java and actually programming it. So let's do the first step first, it's going to be the easiest. So you're going to have to go to this link, which is going to be in the description, log into your account, and then click on create an application. So we're going to name this whatever we want. So I'm going to name this ADN test bot. Alright, so you want to go in here. You can name this whatever you want. You can give it a picture if you want. Alright, we're just going to use this picture. Save it. Oh great, now of course we get an error. Let me refresh. Alright, it fixed it. So now we're going to go over to build a bot. We're going to click add bot. Yes, do it. And here we can actually create the bot itself. This is what's going to be displayed in the actual server. So like when we go here, this is what's going to be displayed here. So this is going to be the profile picture you set. This is going to be the name, which means that you can have this name be different than this name. That's beside the point. If that was overcomplicated, it doesn't matter. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to, depending on what you want, you probably want to turn off public bot. So if this is going to be just on my one server, so I don't want anybody else to be able to add this. By turning off public bot, this means that the only person who can add this bot to servers is myself. So we're going to do that. And now we're going to go over to bot permissions. Actually, no, we're not. We're going to go over to OAuth 2. We're going to select bot from the scopes at the bottom. And now it's going to give us this cool link. We're going to take this link, copy. We're going to open a new tab, and we're going to paste it here. Now this is going to pull up the menu to add the bot. So as you can see, this is the bot we just created. And now we're going to click select a server, and we're going to click on test server and authorize. Alright, so now it's authorized, and if we go back here, we can now see that the ADN test bot has joined the server. However, the bot is offline, and this is because we didn't actually write the code yet. Once we write the code, the bot will actually show up as online, and you'll be able to use it. But in this video, we're just going to be doing the basics, so we're just going to get it to the point where it's online, and you can use the help command, I believe. Alright, so let's get right into that part. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Eclipse. No, it's not Eclipse. And we're going to create a new, we're going to go to Other, and type in Maven. We need to create a new Maven project. Alright, so once you're done with that, select Next. We're going to make sure that we have, alright, this is where I want it to be. And we're going to click Next. You're going to want to select Maven Archetype Quick Start. So just scroll down through the menu until you find that one. Select Next. And we have to do a group ID. So, I guess we're just going to call this ADN and then test bot. Or ADM programming, actually. This is not going to affect the program anyway. This is just, I guess, the way it's stored, or how the package is stored, really. So we're going to select finish, and here is our bot. It's been created. So we're going to want to expand it, and you're not really going to have to worry about anything over here. In fact, we can actually even delete this test. But well, first thing we need to do is we need to import the modules that we need, or they're not called modules, they're dependencies in Java. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and add the dependencies to make this actually work. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go and first we're going to create the actual repositories thing under the dependencies. Alright, then we're going to close that up, and we're going to paste this in right here. And alright, so that should work now. And we're going back to our dependencies now. We're going to create a new dependency. Make sure this is, whatever you type here is before this end, because this is the end. And you're going to want to put in both the dependencies. I'm just going to paste them in, just do it just like I do it. And oh, this should work. It's oh wait, I pasted in the wrong things. That's probably why. I already have it. You can just do the same exact code. Just make sure that you use the most updated version, because at the time you're watching this, the updated version might be different. And so I'm just gonna save this. And all right, so all of our errors went away, so that means everything worked. So I'm actually gonna start over here. So I'm gonna go to this file. I'm going to first of all import a few things. So we're gonna need to import is going to be com.jagrosh. Alright, that should work now. So we're going over here back to our main method, and we're going to create our command client builder. So command client builder equals new command client builder. Alright, and now we're going to do builder dot set owner ID. And you're just going to want to set this to whatever your ID is in Discord. So I'm just going to grab my ID and right click, copy, go back to Eclipse, paste it in here. Alright, now I'm going to go, actually I'm not going to put these all different lines. Builder dot set prefix. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to make our prefix ADN plus. Why not? Because you can really use anything. Use exclamation mark, quotation mark if you want. You can really use anything. Let's see what this issue is. Alright, sometimes you get an error if you just save it. It'll go away. Alright, so now we don't have any commands yet, so we don't have to add our commands. But we do have to still build our client. So we're going to do command client equals, not args, equals builder dot build. Okay, and then JDA builder is equal to new JDA builder dot add listener. Add event listener, and then client. Now, if you don't understand this part, it doesn't really matter. This is like just the repetitive part that you just do from finding it online. Once you get more into commands and stuff, it's more like intuitive. You can just easily figure it out. Like, you don't have to memorize the steps or anything. Anyway, now we're gonna do JDA builder dot token. Set token. Come on, set token. All right. And now to get our token, we're gonna have to go back to our developer bot page. Go to bot, and then select copy token. Now we're gonna go here and we're gonna paste this in. You need to never share your token with anyone, because this token allows anyone to run their code through your bot. And so that means that if you give someone this token, they could technically run malicious code that if the bot had permissions, they could either destroy the server or possibly get your account banned by breaking TOS with the bot, since it's linked to your developer account. For this video, I don't really care, because I'm going to click, so just like if this ever gets out, you can click regenerate and it'll create a new token. So that's what I'm going to do after this video. So go ahead, try to connect your token to my bot. Good luck with that, have a good time. And now we're just going to do JDA builder dot build. Now this should be, what's our error here? Okay, so we actually forgot, we have to add throws exception here, just so that this line works. Alright, and now if we go ahead and we right click mainbot.java, we select run as and Java application, this should load. And as you can see, once you see login successful and finish loading, that means that the bot is completely in the server and is ready to go. And if we go here, the bot is online and it says type ADN plus help. This is a default message. We can always change this later, and I will show you guys in a later video. So if, for example, we're going to do ADN plus help, and we're going to get a DM from the bot, and if we open this up, we're going to see ADN test bot commands, and since we don't have any commands yet, it's going to be blank. And then for additional help, contact Aiden and my number. Now, the way that you can change this person and the number right here without creating a new message, which you can also do, so you can make your own custom help command if you want, which I would recommend. But this ID and things right here is determined by the owner ID right here. So anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos in this series, alright? Have a good day.